Thank you. Merci bien. How much time do I still have left? 15. That's perfect. So if you, what?
The kick drum mic is getting
Kick drum mic.
Oh, the kick drum mic wasn't strong enough. Oh. No, don't do it. Nice haircut, by the way. I want to take a question. Maybe we have time for one question. If anyone has anything that he wants to know. Yes?
Did you just suck up the air from the floor tub?
The opposite. Right. Okay. I saw Benny at the festival. He blew it, man. No, so there are a couple of different ways to change the pitch of a drum. Usually we don't do it manually while playing, but we do it with tuning keys and thighs. So what changes the pitch is the bigger the diameter is, the lower you can get the pitch, or the higher the tension, right? So do dee 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 and do 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 do. Oh no. So stay with me. We don't have much time. So now you can do that manually too by saying you control the amount of surface that rings. So by saying this is the tone that you make, but only till here, right? Right? So that is one way. The other way, thank you, we don't have time. The next way is to do it through tension. So either you take the tuning key or, right? You have more tension and then the pitch gets higher. Now, I thought, I only do this from the outside. What if I can do this from the inside? And this thing is basically airtight, but that air hole there. So if I blow air into it, like a balloon, right? Don't have time. So listen to this. That's how you do it. It's physics. I like it. I have this other trick where I set the drum set on fire. Let's do it. It's very easy. No, of course not. Of course not. Only the bass drum mic. Good.